Hey everyone, it is Ruby. Today we are driving into a simple, accessible side hustle that can earn you up to $300 a day using Google Translate.
While it might not be perfect, Google Translate has gotten incredibly powerful, and there are tons of people out there willing to pay for quick, affordable translations. You don't need to be fluent in multiple languages, just resourceful and willing to put in a little work. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps to start offering translation services online, find clients, and scale your earnings. Imagine earning up to $300 a day using just Google Translate. No advanced skills, no huge investment, just a little creativity and smart work. The gig economy is booming, and one of the hottest areas is language services. The internet has broken down geographical barriers, allowing businesses to connect with customers worldwide. But not everyone speaks the same language. Businesses need websites translated, marketing materials adapted, and product descriptions localized. Hiring a professional translation agency can be expensive, especially for small businesses or individual content creators. By offering affordable translation services, you can tap into this huge demand and carve out a profitable niche. You'll be providing a valuable service while undercutting the big players, making you an attractive option for budget-conscious clients. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can start offering translation services and building a successful freelance business. One of the best things about this side hustle is the low barrier to entry. You don't need any fancy software or expensive equipment to get started. Here's your essential toolkit: a reliable internet connection, access to Google Translate, and accounts on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Google Translate has come a long way and is more than capable of handling basic translations for blog posts, product descriptions, and other online content. These platforms are your virtual storefronts, connecting you with potential clients from around the world. With these three things in place, you're ready to dive into the world of online translation services and start earning. Let's get started. Now that you've got your tools ready, it's time to think about your niche. Specializing can help you stand out from the competition and attract the right clients. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, focus on one or two areas where you can excel. This will allow you to become an expert in those specific fields and command higher rates. Here are a few popular niches to consider: blog translations for international audiences, subtitle translations for YouTube videos, and product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Many bloggers want to expand their reach to a global audience, but translating entire blog posts can be time-consuming and expensive. Offering subtitle translation services can be a lucrative niche, allowing you to tap into the massive popularity of YouTube and other video platforms. With the rise of online shopping, e-commerce stores are constantly adding new products to their inventories. By specializing in e-commerce translations, you can tap into this steady stream of work. Choose a niche that interests you and aligns with your skills to deliver high-quality translations that keep your clients coming back. Google Translate is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. The key to using it effectively is to treat it as a starting point, not a finished product. Here's a step-by-step process for using Google Translate to create accurate and professional translations. Step 1. Copy the text you need to translate and paste it into Google Translate. Step 2. Review the translated output carefully for accuracy. Look for any awkward phrasing, grammatical errors, or words that don't make sense in the target language. Step 3. Use free grammar tools like Grammarly or Language Tool to refine the text further. Step 4. If possible, have a native speaker review the final translation. By using Google Translate strategically and taking the time to review and refine the output, you can provide accurate and affordable translations that keep your clients happy. Now that you know how to use Google Translate effectively, it's time to find clients. Let's break down some effective methods. 1. Freelancing platforms. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients. Create gigs showcasing your translation services and competitive rates. Use relevant keywords to attract clients. 2. Social media. Create a professional LinkedIn profile. Join groups and participate in discussions. Use Facebook and Twitter to promote your services. 3. Direct outreach. Reach out to businesses directly via email or LinkedIn. Identify companies that might benefit from your services. Craft a compelling pitch highlighting your skills and rates. Once you start getting clients and generating income, it's time to think about scaling your business. Here are a few strategies to help you maximize your earnings and turn your side hustle into a sustainable source of income. First, focus on quality and speed. Deliver high-quality work quickly to build a strong reputation and attract repeat clients. Next, offer additional services. Expand your service offerings to increase your income streams. Encourage client reviews. Positive reviews build credibility and attract new clients. Increase your rates. As you gain experience, increase your rates gradually. Finally, outsource tasks. Outsource tasks to free up your time for higher-level work. By implementing these strategies, you can scale your business and achieve long-term success. Once you're comfortable with the basics and your business is gaining momentum, it's time to explore advanced strategies. Consider investing in computer-assisted translation (CAT) tools. These tools improve the speed, accuracy, and consistency of translations, especially for large or complex projects. Popular CAT tools include Trados, MemoQ, and WordFast. Also, think about language learning. Investing in your language skills can open up new opportunities and allow you to command higher rates. Specialization within a niche is another great strategy. As you gain experience, consider specializing even further. If you're struggling to keep up with demand, consider building a team of freelance translators. Networking is key. Attend industry events, connect with other translators online, and join relevant professional organizations. By implementing these advanced strategies, you can take your earnings to the next level and achieve greater success. While earning $300 a day with Google Translate is achievable, it's important to have realistic expectations. Success takes time, effort, and consistent dedication. Here are a few tips to help you stay motivated and achieve long-term success. Start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Focus on building strong relationships with your clients. Communication is key. Stay organized. Use project management tools, set clear deadlines, and keep track of your income and expenses. Embrace continuous learning. The world of translation is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Invest in your professional development by attending webinars, reading industry publications, and continually expanding your skills. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your accomplishments, reward yourself for reaching milestones, and don't be afraid to take breaks to avoid burnout. By following these tips, you can achieve long-term success and build a sustainable freelance business. So there you have it, a proven roadmap to earning up to $300 a day using Google Translate. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. The online world is full of opportunities, and with a little creativity and hard work, you can achieve financial freedom and design the life of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making strategies, and let me know in the comments what side hustle you're going to start today. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to take action. Open Google Translate, sign up for freelancing platforms, and start offering your services.